Hello, my name is Dudek and I'm happy to present to you BRENDA 35 years of empowering enzymology and beyond. The BRENDA enzyme database is the world's most comprehensive enzyme information system, with more than 300,000 unique visitors from all around the world and more than 3 million page views per year. BRENDA provides data for more than 8,000 enzymes and more than 13,000 organisms. Additionally, BRENDA contains more than 200,000 biochemical compounds in more than 80,000 reactions. In total, BRENDA has collected more than 5.3 million data points from 50 different categories, extracted from more than 160,000 references. BRENDA is built on 4 fundamental parts. First is the manual annotation of high-quality data. BRENDA contains more than 5.3 million data points extracted from more than 160,000 references, which are released on a regular basis on the BRENDA website. The second fundamental part is text mining. We extract enzyme names, diseases, source tissues, kinetic data, and organism names from PubMed titles and abstracts. Currently, there are more than 1.9 million data points extracted from more than 4 million references in BRENDA. The next fundamental part is data visualization. BRENDA provides visualization of pathways, reactions, enzyme structures from PDB, genome maps, word maps with related terms, and ontology viewers. The final fundamental part of BRENDA is the integration of external data. BRENDA integrates and links to several ELIXIR core data resources like PDBE, KEBI, UniProt, EuroPMC, and Interpro. But BRENDA also uses other resources like from EMBL, the NCBI, BugDive, PDB, KEGG, ProCite, and so on. BRENDA was founded more than 35 years ago in 1987 in Braunschweig, Germany, and the first release of BRENDA was in 1990 as a series of books called Handbook of Enzymes. Since 1996, BRENDA is directly involved in the recommendations on biochemical nomenclature for enzymes at the International Union of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology. During the time in Cologne, the first online version of BRENDA was released in 1998, and the first relational database was established in 2004. Later, BRENDA came back to Braunschweig and became part of the German Network for Bioinformatics Infrastructure, DENBI, in 2015. Since 2018, BRENDA is an ELIXIR core data resource, and since 2022 also Global Core Biodata resource. Finally, since the beginning of the year, BRENDA is part of the DSMZ, the German collection of microorganisms and cell cultures in Braunschweig, as part of the DSMZ Digital Diversity project. DSMZ Digital Diversity aims to create an integrated hub for various different biological resources like BugDive, TÜX, LPSN, Silver, and of course BRENDA. As part of this project, the DSMZ got permanent funding for the integrated platform and for the resources itself. For the application, a major point was the status as ELIXIR Core Data Resource or Global Core Biodata Resource of BRENDA, Silver, and BugDive. After more than 35 years, you can imagine that even the best fundamentals need some restoration and renovation. With the long-term funding, we have many plans for the future of BRENDA. We want to extend our text mining to full text to extract even more data types. We want to extend the annotation of data with more supporting tools to allow a more regular release of BRENDA. We are going to optimize our database structure, and we are looking for more cooperations with external resources. and for the visualization, we are working on a new BRENDA website with a more data-driven visualization instead of tables. And finally, as a new fundamental part of BRENDA, we are going to extend the computational access to BRENDA using FAIR principles, a new REST API, more download options, bioschema support, and web components for external resources to use. And this was a short overview of the history and future of the BRENDA enzyme database, the most comprehensive enzyme resource with more than 35 years of experience. With long-term funding, we have many plans and ideas for the future of BRENDA and the integrated digital diversity platform at the DSMZ. And we are open for contact and cooperation. And with that, I would like to thank you for your attention.